Do you think your challenge is too big for us?
We will prove you wrong.
Your challenges, our solutions. This year at Interpack, we showed you how it's done. It doesn't matter if it's Annex 1 issues, process optimization, scaling, or digitalization. The Optimists help you make your product more efficient, safer, and especially future-proof. And by the way, speaking about the future,
You guys flooded our booth for fiber-based packaging applications.
But it's not only about the technology, it's about the people that made that event so special.
it was a pleasure meeting you. See you next time.